Hi everyone, today I am going to talk about the history and taste of noodles. Noodles have been a staple food for people all over the world for thousands of years. They are easy to prepare, delicious and versatile. Noodles come in many different forms, from thin and delicate spaghetti to thick and chewy ramen. They can be made from wheat, rice, or corn. The history of noodles can be traced back to ancient China. The first noodle was made from wheat and was served to the emperor during a feast. Since then, noodles have become popular throughout Asia and are now a staple food in many countries. When it comes to the taste of noodles, there are so many different variations to choose from. Some popular noodle dishes include spaghetti carbonara, chicken noodle soup, and pad thai. One of the best things about noodles is that they can be customized to fit any dietary restrictions or preferences. Vegetarians can choose from dishes made with tofu or tempeh, while gluten-free noodles are also available. In conclusion, noodles are a delicious and versatile food that have a rich history and many different flavors to choose from. Whether you prefer spaghetti, noodles, or ramen, there is a noodle dish out there for everyone. So, let's give thanks to the noodles and enjoy this delicious food.